Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome back to the English class. Today we are going to start with Unit 6 from our English textbook, that is English Bal Bharati textbook. Okay, so lesson number 1 is alphabet song. So, do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet? 24, 25, 26, or 27? Can you tell me? You are counting. I'll tell you. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Now, there are two types of letters. You all know the types of letters, capital letters and small letters. Now, all these letters, when they come together, they form words. And when words come together, they make sentences. So letters means what? A, B, C, D, all this. Okay. So each letter comes together with another letter and that way they form words like D will come together with O and they will come together with G and it will form a word. DOG is what? Dog. Okay, understood. This way the letters come together to form words. Now, words come together to form sentences. How is that? Okay, I have a pet dog. So, I is a word, smallest word. है ना? I is a word, have is a word, a is again a word, pet is a word and dog is a word. So all these words come together to make sentences. So letters make words, words make sentences. Okay, so you all know this. So I'm not going to waste much time over here. Let's move on to the song, alphabet song. All of you like to sing songs, no? So this is an alphabet song wherein we are going to practice the different words. We are going to learn some different words, new words in the song itself. Okay, so let's start. A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot and D dressed a doll. Now if you look properly, you will see that when we say A ate an apple, all are starting with the letter A. Okay. B bounced a ball. Now B here also most of them we have tried to take words which are starting with the letter B. Same way. So I'll explain you the meaning of bounced later on. C cut a carrot and D dressed a doll. Dressed a doll means you know ना आप नए नए कपड़े पहनाते हो डॉल के कपड़े चेंज करते हैं दूसरे कपड़े पहनाते दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ड्रेस व्हेन यू गो आउट यू ड्रेस अप you wear your uniform you dress up for the school so what you do you actually wear the uniform when you dress up for the school okay understood समझ में आया जब आप तैयार होते हो तो उसको बोलते हैं dress up so D dressed a doll. Now here since it is a song, there are rhyming words. So let's find out the rhyming words. Ball, doll. Okay. Why? Because the last sound l is same. Ball, doll. Okay. Then one more. Bounced. I will tell you the meaning. What is the meaning of bounce? Bounce means move quickly up, back or away from a surface after hitting it. Okay. Now what do you bounce? You bounce a ball. Okay. So let's see. This is called as bouncing. So it is moving quickly up, back or away. Now this is hitting on the floor. Suppose if you hit on the wall, so it will move back. Okay. So some surface it has to hit and then it will come back. That is called as bouncing. Okay. This moving quickly up or back or away from a surface after hitting it. So you understand the meaning of bounced? Very good. So let's move ahead. E eats eggs and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. Okay, so E eats egg. F falls flat. Flat means on the floor, totally on the floor. Okay, so F falls flat, G grows grapes, and H hangs a hat. It is just a song, there is no particular meaning of it. The only thing is you are going to sing it with a proper tune, and you are going to learn some new words which you might not know. Okay, and those new words I am going to tell you the meaning also. Okay. So again, since it is a song, we are going to find what? Rhyming words. So flat, hat. Both are rhyming with each other. Okay. Why? Because again, the last sound at in both flat as well as hat is same. So these are rhyming with each other. Flat hat. Okay. Next one. I is on an island. J jumps and jogs. K keeps kittens and L lifts logs. Okay. Island, I will tell you the meaning. Jumps and jogs. Jumps, you know what is jumps. Jogs also, you know, morning may there are many people who go out for exercise. So what they do, they run very slowly, you know. So that is called as jogging. Okay. K keeps kittens. What are kittens? The young one of cats. Cats के जो बच्चे होते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Kittens बोलते हैं. Okay. And L lifts logs. What are logs? Logs are of wood. Okay. So let's see the meaning. Okay. First let's see the rhyming words again. Jogs and logs. Okay. Both have the same rhyming sound, that is the same sound at the end. That is why these are the rhyming words. Jogs and logs are rhyming words. Okay. Now let's look at the meaning of island. There is one new word, island. Now what is island? Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water. On all the sides it is surrounded by water. You want to see how an island looks? Okay, this way. So can you see, this is a piece of land, this is a land, and there is water everywhere on all the four sides. चारों जगह से वो लैंड पानी के अंदर है ना. So there is no land anywhere else. So only a land is there in between the water. कहीं और वो दूसरे लैंड से जुड़ा हुआ नहीं है. A piece of land surrounded by water. It is called as an island. Okay, understood? Okay, very good. Now let's move ahead. M makes mistakes, N needs a nurse. O obeys orders and P patches a purse. Okay, so now I'll tell you the meanings also. M makes mistakes. Okay, mistakes. You know what are mistakes. Nurse is the when you go to a doctor, the one who gives you injections or gives you medicines is called a nurse. Okay, so nurse and purse both are rhyming words. Okay, now O obeys orders means he listens, and P patches a purse. Now there are a few new words like obeys and patches. I'm going to tell you the meaning of those. Okay, let's see what is the meaning of obey. Obey means to follow the instructions. Okay, when you come to the school and teacher tells you, come on, open your book, or don't make noise, then you listen to the teacher, is it not? When you are at home, mama says, come on, it is time for dinner, it is time for lunch, it is your study time, so you listen to your mama also, is it not? So what are you doing? You are obeying. Okay, you are an obedient child. So being obedient is very good. You will get 5 stars for that, for being obedient. Okay, बहुत अच्छा होता है obedient होना. Okay, so this is the meaning of obey. And patches means to bend, mend. Sorry, what is the meaning of mend? Mend means ठीक करना. Patches कभी करते हैं. Suppose something has been torn, कुछ भी फट जाता है, तो उसको सिलाने के लिए दूसरा कपड़ा लगा के हम उसको ठीक करते हैं. So we पुट अ पैच ओवर देयर, दूसरे कपड़े का पैच लगाते हैं और उसको फिर ठीक करते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं पैचेस. पैचेस मीन्स टू मेंड, उसको ठीक करना. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, very good. So let's move ahead. Q queued up quickly, R rolled and rose, S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. Now again here, rose and toes are rhyming words. Okay, and there are a few new words also. Rose means not the flower. Rose means, see, now what is this? R rolled a rose. Queued up quickly means what? They stood in the line. Queued up means standing in the line. Okay. Rolled and rose. Okay. Now I'll tell you what is the meaning of rolled. This is rolled. Okay. Now roll. This is called as rolled, and rose means this, standing up. Okay. Rose means what? Standing up. Here rose does not mean the flower. Okay. Rose means standing up. Okay, so the that are rolled and rose. Okay, understood? So these are the new words. The word rose you must have heard, मगर rose का meaning यहाँ पे different है. Okay, understood? Rose यहाँ पे मतलब खड़े होना. Okay, let's move ahead. U uses an umbrella. V has a violet van. W washes windows whenever he can. Okay. So here also there are rhyming words. Can you find out? Yes, very good. Van and can. Very nice, children. X hides in boxes. Y says yummy and you. Z says zigzag zoom. Hurrah! We are through. So all the letters we have covered, all the alphabet we have completed, English alphabet we have completed. Okay, and these are the rhyming words. You through. Okay. So that's all about the alphabet song. I am going to post a different video wherein I will only show how to sing the song. Okay. So chalo, bye. Practice singing the song. See you again.